Clear line 12 right, United 732.
I called it.
Skywest 3815, contact departure. Delta 1093, contact departure. Good day. Delta 1137, flight on my heading, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Alpha, go Alpha to Hotel, cross runway 4, Cowboy 4463.
Envoy 4076, maybe just a minute or two at the end we can get you airborne after 15 past the hour.
Roger, runway 4076.
Roger 572, Minneapolis Tower, the wind is 180 at 6, gust 15, runway 12 right, clear to land. Cowboy 4463, Roger, continue straight across that the ice pad to Romeo 9. At Romeo 9, cross my 12 left. I'm sorry, at Papa 9, cross my 12 left, then Romeo to the ramp.
Copy, continue straight across the de-ice pad, Papa 9, then a right turn on Romeo to the ramp, Cowboy 4463.
Cowboy 4463, that's all correct, you can cross my 12 left.
And cross runway 12 left, Cowboy 4463.
At 732, contact ground point Niner.
Papa 9 at 732.
Level 729, when you're ready, you can make the right turn kilo to my 17. I'll get you rolling here in about 3 minutes. Seven 29, Ryder.